Question number 1. Which of the following is the first line of defense in the immune system? Correct answer is option B. Skin and mucous membranes. Question number 2. What is the primary function of the immune system? Correct answer is option B. To defend the body against pathogens. Question number 3. Which cells are responsible for specific immune response? Correct answer is option B. B cells and T cells. Question number 4. What do B cells primarily produce to fight infections? Correct answer is option B. Antibodies. Question number 5. Which of the following is not part of the innate immune system? Correct answer is option C. Antibodies. Question number 6. What is the role of T helper cells in the immune response? Correct answer is option C. They help active B cells and cytotoxic T cells. Question number 7. Which of the following is the primary function of phagocytes? Correct answer is option B. To destroy pathogens by engulfing them. Question number 8. Which organ is primarily responsible for the maturation of T cells? Correct answer is option B. Thymus. Question number 9. What is the function of complement system in immunity? Correct answer is option B. To enhance phagocytosis and destroy pathogens. Question number 10. What type of immunity is acquired through vaccination? Correct answer is option B. Artificial active immunity. Question number 11. Which of the following is a characteristics of adaptive immunity? Correct answer is option B. It provides long-term immunity after exposure. Question number 12. Which type of immune cell is primarily involved in attacking infected or cancerous cells? Correct answer is option B. Cytotoxic T cells. Question number 13. What is the function of antibodies in the immune system? Correct answer is option B. To mark pathogens for destruction by other immune cells. Question number 14. Which of the following cells are involved in the process of antigen presentation? Correct answer is option B. Dendritic cells. Question number 15. Which type of immune response is characterized by the production of antibodies? Correct answer is option B. Humoral immunity. Question number 16. Which of the following is a primarily lymphoid organ where immune cells are generated? Correct answer is option C. Bone marrow. Question number 17. What is the major role of the lymphatic system in immunity? Correct answer is option B. To transport white blood cells and filter lymph. Question number 18. What is the primary role of the spleen in immunity? Correct answer is option B. To filter blood and store white blood cells. Question number 19. Which of the following is an example of passive immunity? Correct answer is option B. The transfer of antibodies from mother to fetus. Question number 20. Which of the following cells is involved in the allergic response? Correct answer is option B. Mast cells. Question number 21. Which type of immunity is provided by the natural exposure to a pathogen? Correct answer is option A. Natural active immunity. Question number 22. What is the function of interferons in the immune system? Correct answer is option C. To interfere with viral replication. Question number 23. Which of the following is the key characteristics of memory cells? Correct answer is option B. They provide long-term immunity after initial exposure to a pathogen. Question number 24. Which type of T cell is responsible for directly killing infected cells? Correct answer is option B. Cytotoxic T cells. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a function of the inflammatory response? Correct answer is option D. To reduce the activity of the immune cells. Question number 26. Which cell type is involved in the destruction of parasitic infection? Correct answer is option B. Eosinophils. Question number 27. What role does the major histocompatibility complex MHC play in the immunity? Correct answer is option B. It presents antigens on the surface of cells to be organized by T cells. Question number 28. Which of the following is the most common type of antibody in the blood? Correct answer is option D. IgG. Question number 29. Which of the following is an example of an autoimmune disease? Correct answer is option B. Rheumatoid arthritis. Question number 30. What is the function of regulatory T cells in the immune response? Correct answer is option C. To suppress immune response and prevent autoimmune reaction. Question number 31. Which immune response is responsible for the rejection of transplanted organs? Correct answer is option B. Cell-mediated immune response. Question number 32. Which type of antigen presenting cell is most effective at stimulating naive T cells? Correct answer is option B. Dendritic cells. Question number 33. Which of the following is the characteristics of the secondary immune response? Correct answer is option B. It involves the activation of memory cells. Question number 34. What is the role of lymph nodes in the immune system? Correct answer is option B. To filter and trap pathogens from the lymph. Question number 35. Which of the following statement about immunization is false? Correct answer is option C. It guarantees complete immunity from all diseases. Question number 37. Which of the following best describes the function of natural killer NK cells? Correct answer is option A. They kill infected or cancerous cells without the need for antigen presentation. Question number 37. Which class of immunoglobulins is primarily involved in mucosal immunity? Correct answer is option A. LGA. Question number 38. What is the function of thymus in immune system development? Correct answer is option C. It is the site where T cells mature. Question number 39. What is the function of histamine in the immune system? Correct answer is option B. It triggers vasodilation and increase vascular permeability during inflammation. Question number 40. Which of the following is the primary function of the bone marrow in the immune system? Correct answer is option C. To produce white blood cells including B cells and T cells. Question number 41. Which cytokine is primarily involved in fever and inflammation? Correct answer is option B. Tumor necrosis factor alpha TNF disulfide. Question number 42. Which of the following is a major difference between the primary and secondary immune response? Correct answer is option A. The secondary response is faster and stronger due to the presence of memory cells. Question number 43. Which of the following immune cells produce antibodies? Correct answer is option B. B cells. Question number 44. Which of the following is a potential consequence of a weakened immune system? Correct answer is option B. Autoimmune diseases. Question number 45. Which of the following is involved in the memory aspect of the adaptive immune response? Correct answer is option B. T cells and B cells. Question number 46. What is the function of MHC class 1 molecules? Correct answer is option B. To present antigen to cytotoxic T cells. Question number 47. Which of the following is a key feature of the adaptive immune system? Correct answer is option C. It has the ability to recognize and remember specific pathogens. Question number 48. Which of the following cells is responsible for killing tumor cells? Correct answer is option B. Cytotoxic T cells. Question number 49. Which of the following is an example of an antigen? Correct answer is option B. A pathogen or pathogen protein. Question number 50. Which part of the immune system is responsible for the differentiation of immune cells and the development of immune memory? Correct answer is option B. The bone marrow.